The Poimo electric scooter is a game changer in portable transportation. This innovative scooter can easily fit into your backpack, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. Made from durable thermoplastic polyurethane, TPU, it features detachable parts like the handles, wheels, battery, and motor. With a small pump, you can inflate the scooter in just minutes, so you're ready to ride in no time. Designed for short trips around the city or those tricky last-mile journeys, the Poimo is lightweight and easy to carry. Once you're done riding, you can deflate and fold it down to fit snugly in your bag. This means you can hop on and off anywhere you want without any hassle. While the Poimo electric scooter is still in development, it promises to be a fantastic option for anyone looking for convenient and eco-friendly transportation. Imagine zipping through busy streets and then simply packing it away when you're done. Keep an eye out for this exciting scooter that combines fun, practicality, and sustainability in one neat package. The Quiggle bike is an innovative, foldable bike that combines the features of a scooter, bike, and motorcycle. Its design puts riders in an upright position with a small seat for balance and support, helping to reduce strain on your back, neck, and shoulders. While its look is quite different, the creators say this setup makes the ride surprisingly comfortable. One of the best features of the Quiggle bike is how easily it folds down. In just 10 seconds, it compacts to a super small size of 21.6 by 15.7 by 9.8 inches, making it perfect for city living or commuting. Plus, at only 18.7 pounds, it's much lighter than many other foldable bikes, making it easy to carry around. Made with a durable aluminum frame, the bike also has solid wheels, a plug-in handle, and a flexible rear frame for smooth rides. Its larger tires offer more stability, and the brakes come with extra protection. While it's not on the market yet, it's expected to sell for around $1,500 soon. The Road Rower is a one-of-a-kind electric vehicle that mimics the motion of rowing, providing a full-body workout while you enjoy the outdoors. Unlike regular bikes or scooters, it blends the benefits of rowing, cycling, and running into a single exciting ride. The 250 watts rear-wheel motor lets you cruise at speeds of up to 32 kilometers per hour, while the 36 volts lithium-ion battery gives you a range of about 32 kilometers on a full charge, depending on factors like terrain and rider weight. What sets it apart is its unique rowing handlebar system, which engages your upper body, helping improve cardiovascular health and tone your muscles. With 20-inch fat tires, the Road Rower ensures a stable and comfortable ride on various surfaces. At $1,500, it's an eco-friendly, fun, and innovative alternative to traditional ways of getting around. Whether you're looking to get fit or just enjoy an adventurous ride, the Road Rower offers a new way to move. The Roike V1 is a one-of-a-kind fitness machine that blends the excitement of cycling with the full-body benefits of rowing. It gives you a low-impact cardio workout that targets over 90% of your major muscle groups. If you're aiming to burn up to 1,200 calories an hour while having fun outdoors, this innovative device is perfect for you. Made with a 7005 heat-treated aluminum frame, the Roike V1 is lightweight yet durable, built to handle tough workouts without weighing you down. It's equipped with a Noaney N360 internal gear hub and a patented rowing power bar, making it easy to adjust the resistance and challenge yourself at different fitness levels. The Roike V1 is designed to fit people between 5'2" and 6'4", making it a great option for a wide range of users. It's not just a workout, it's an adventure, letting you stay active while exploring your surroundings. If you're ready to take your fitness outdoors in a fun new way, the Roike V1 is available for $2,495. The running shoe bike turned heads at the Prudential Ride London event in July 2016 with its unique design. Unlike regular bikes, it has no tires. Each wheel is fitted with 6 running shoes, giving it a quirky appearance. While this creative concept is definitely eye-catching, it also means the ride can be a bit bumpy. Created by traveler Steve Biggs, this bike isn't available for sale. It's more of a fun, experimental project. The running shoe bike showcases how biking can be both a mode of transportation and an entertaining experience full of creativity. The Sandex is a powerful all-terrain vehicle, ATV, built for high-speed adventures on sand dunes and rough terrain. Imagine a snowmobile made for the desert, only instead of skis, it rides on wide, knobby tires that grip sand like a pro. It's powered by a fierce 800cc two-stroke Rotax engine with 2 cylinders, pushing out 160 horsepower. That gives it serious speed, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, and a top speed of 115 miles per hour. Even with all that power, the Sandex is lightweight and easy to handle. Its aluminum frame and strong composite body make it agile and responsive, even on soft, shifting sand. Built for adrenaline lovers and off-road pros, the Sandex is all about speed, control, and fun in extreme environments. With a price tag of around $120,000, it's not your average ride. It's a high-performance beast for those who want the ultimate desert thrill. Schiller Water Bike. The Schiller Water Bike is a premium water bike built for fun, fitness, and exploring the outdoors. Made in California and loved around the world, it's perfect for cruising on lakes, rivers, or calm coastal waters. Lightweight and easy to carry, this water bike can be set up in under 15 minutes, no tools or experience needed. It uses a human-powered drivetrain with a strong Gates carbon belt, which makes your pedaling smooth and efficient. You can reach speeds of over 10 miles per hour while gliding across the water. Whether you're working out, relaxing, or just enjoying nature, the Schiller Water Bike delivers a unique and exciting ride. It's great for all ages and fitness levels, offering a safe and stable way to stay active on the water. Depending on the model, prices range from $4,500 to $7,500. If you enjoy biking and being out on the water, this innovative ride is a fun, eco-friendly way to combine both. The Seya H10 is a stylish and powerful electric scooter built for adults looking for a smooth and efficient ride. With its 1,000-watt rear brushless motor, it can reach a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour and easily handle inclines up to 20%. The scooter runs on a 48-volt, 12-amp-hour lithium battery, giving you a range between 16 and 32 kilometers, depending on factors like rider weight and terrain. The 12-inch air-filled tires ensure a comfortable ride on various surfaces. For safety, it's equipped with front and rear disc brakes, an LED headlight, and a horn to improve visibility and communication. Weighing 42 kilograms and able to support riders up to 120 kilograms, the H10 suits a wide range of people. Priced at $1,100, this scooter offers excellent performance at an affordable price, making it perfect for daily commuting or casual rides around the city. The Degi Freeride is an electric snow bike built for adventure, offering a thrilling and eco-friendly way to explore winter landscapes. Designed for both beginners and experienced riders, it delivers a smooth and exciting ride across snowy terrains with ease. With a top speed of up to 65 kilometers per hour and a range of up to 100 kilometers, the Degi Freeride ensures long, uninterrupted journeys through the snow. Its durable tracks provide excellent traction on various snow conditions, making it a reliable choice for off-road winter fun. Compact and foldable, this snow bike is easy to transport and store, so you can take it anywhere. Its user-friendly controls make riding simple and enjoyable for all skill levels. Whether you're carving through fresh powder or gliding across frozen trails, the Degi Freeride redefines winter mobility, combining speed, convenience, and sustainability for an unforgettable snow riding experience. The Spy Racing E8 electric quad bike offers an exhilarating and eco-friendly ride for adventure lovers. With its powerful 4-kilowatt motor, this quad can reach speeds of up to 90 kilometers per hour, giving you a thrilling off-road experience. Its 7.2 kilowatt-hours battery provides an impressive range of up to 141 kilometers on a single charge, letting you explore longer without worrying about running out of power. Safety and control are top priorities with the E8. It features a hydraulic braking system that ensures smooth and reliable stopping power, even on tricky terrain. The Hill Assist function makes steep climbs a breeze, so you can tackle any challenge confidently. The 14-inch wheels are built tough for rugged conditions, while the easy-to-read digital LED display keeps you updated on your speed, battery level, and more. Perfect for off-road enthusiasts looking for something unique, the Spy Racing E8 combines high performance with sleek design. Whether you're navigating through dirt paths or rocky trails, this premium quad bike gives you the freedom to explore with power, style, and zero emissions. Get ready for an exciting, eco-conscious ride like no other. The Teleport Trike is a modern electric tricycle designed for both city commutes and leisurely rides. Powered by a 750-watt motor, it offers smooth acceleration and enough strength to climb hills easily, delivering up to 18 Nm of torque. It can reach a top speed of 40 km per hour and travel up to 80 km on a single charge, with the battery recharging from 20% to 80% in about 3 hours. The trike comes packed with smart features like 2 riding modes, a reverse gear for easy maneuvering, chassis lighting for safer night rides, a central locking system with an alarm for added security, an adjustable seat for comfort, and an advanced braking system for better control. Its sleek design and bright LED lights make it stand out wherever you go. Since it's classified as a regular bicycle, you don't need a driver's license to ride it. Eco-friendly and producing zero emissions, the Teleport Trike is a practical and affordable green alternative to cars, priced at around $2,000, offering a fun, sustainable way to get around the city. The Jet bicycle is dubbed one of the most dangerous bikes in the world, and it's not hard to see why. Created by a British inventor known for his outrageous ideas, this bike is equipped with a homemade jet engine that sticks out an extra 15 inches from the back seat. With its powerful turbines, it can zoom down the road at a staggering 50 miles per hour, making it a risky ride for both the driver and anyone nearby. Riding at 30 miles per hour is relatively fun, but things get wild at 40 miles per hour. The bike becomes wobbly and hard to control. The tires can struggle to keep up with the speed, increasing the chances of an accident. This bike is definitely for thrill seekers who crave adventure. Just remember, with great speed comes great risk, so be prepared for an exhilarating yet dangerous ride. Transpod FluxJet, ultra-fast travel powered by clean energy. Transpod, a Canadian startup, has revealed the FluxJet, an all-electric, high-speed vehicle that combines the best parts of an airplane and a train. Launched on July 22, 2022, the FluxJet is built to revolutionize how we travel and transport goods. It runs on clean energy and uses advanced contactless power systems, along with a new kind of physics called valence flux. Thanks to these innovations, the FluxJet can travel inside a special tube system, called the Transpod line, at speeds over 1,000 km per hour. That's faster than most airplanes and nearly 3 times quicker than high-speed trains. The FluxJet will operate only on the Transpod line, which will connect major cities through dedicated stations and frequent departures. The aim is to make travel not only faster, but also safer, more affordable, and better for the environment. With zero fossil fuel use and futuristic technology, the FluxJet isn't just another transportation idea. It's a major step toward a cleaner, faster future. If you're a cyclist, you probably know the uncomfortable feeling that hits once you hop off your bike. That's exactly why the VABS Rider bike seat by Ataraxy BSC was created, to make your ride smoother and way more comfortable. This isn't your usual bike seat. The VABS Rider is a virtual AIS, active integration system seat designed to move naturally with your body. Instead of the typical bulky single seat, the VABS Rider has 2 sections that work in harmony, allowing for dynamic support as you ride. With VABS Rider, you don't have to put up with discomfort anymore. The design minimizes pressure and friction, so you can cycle longer and enjoy every moment. Whether you're on a quick spin around town or a full-day cycling adventure, the VABS Rider helps keep you pain-free and ready to go. Plus, it's compatible with most bike models, so cyclists of all kinds can benefit from this innovative seat. Say goodbye to saddle soreness, and hello to a smoother, more enjoyable ride with VABS Rider. The Vuvia SN100 is an awesome electric bike built for outdoor adventures and off-road fun. With 80 nanometers of torque and a 48-volt, 14 Ah LG lithium battery, it gives you a strong, smooth, and quiet ride. Its powerful 750-watt brushless motor and torque sensor work together to give you better control, boost safety, and help the battery last longer. The bike's X-Show front suspension fork makes bumpy rides feel smooth and comfortable, while the 26-inch fat tires are puncture-resistant and even glow in the dark, so you're ready for any terrain, day or night. It can carry up to 330 pounds and go as far as 52 miles on a single charge, giving you the freedom to explore without limits. The aluminum alloy frame is both strong and stylish, and the color LCD screen keeps you informed no matter the weather. Originally priced at $1,999, the Vuvia SN100 is now on sale for $1,799. A great value for anyone looking to take their outdoor adventures to the next level. The walking bike is a fascinating invention that won't be available for sale anytime soon. At first, it looks like a regular bike with a standard front wheel, frame, handlebars, and pedals. But instead of a rear wheel, it has unique metallic parts that resemble spider legs. With over 450 metal pieces and 120 plastic components, this bike showcases impressive engineering. While it can reach high speeds, it's only meant for flat surfaces. Despite not being on the market, the walking bike has wowed audiences at various exhibitions with its innovative design and creativity. The Yamaha Majesty Melted is a striking custom motorcycle based on the popular Yamaha Majesty scooter, a favorite in Japan. This bike stands out with a unique, eye-catching design that sets it apart from the rest. Its most distinctive feature is the melted paint job. The bodywork flows in a gradient from black to white, creating an illusion that the colors are melting together. Beyond its bold appearance, the melted model comes with impressive modifications. It's equipped with a new exhaust system, air suspension for a smoother ride, and sleek carbon fiber wheels, adding both style and performance. Crafted by the renowned Japanese custom builder Yamaha MJs, known for their high-quality, one-of-a-kind creations, the Melted Majesty is a true example of innovative and artistic motorcycle customization. This bike is more than just a ride. It's a moving piece of art. The Yacht bike is a smart and compact electric bike made for city life. It folds down in seconds, making it easy to carry, store under your desk, or bring along on a train, bus, or even in the trunk of your car. It's designed to be lightweight and portable, perfect for anyone who wants a quick and convenient way to get around. With a top speed of 14.3 miles per hour and a range of up to 12.5 miles on a full charge, it's great for short commutes or daily errands. And the best part? It only takes 90 minutes to recharge. You can plug it in while you're at work or relaxing at home, and it'll be ready to go again in no time. Safety is also built in with bright LED lights that help you stay visible, even in low light. The Yacht bike isn't just a bike. It's a new way to move through the city with ease, style, and zero stress. Whether you're navigating traffic or heading to your next stop, the Yacht bike makes it simple and fun.